Use the password reset tool to find your NetID and set or change your NetID password. You'll need your 9-digit Stony Brook ID number. It's the number on your Stony Brook ID card, and 2 ways to authenticate. In a web browser, go to mypasswords.stonybrook.edu. Then, on the right, under Password Reset, click Go to Reset Tool. Enter your Stony Brook ID number and click Continue. You need to select 2 of the provided authentication methods. There are up to 5 options, but you might not see all 5 depending on when you're using this tool. Starting from the top, work your way down, checking and completing the ones you can. For the first option, check this box to authenticate with your existing NetID. If you already have NetID, enter your NetID and NetID password, and then move on to the next option. For challenge questions, check the box and then answer the responses there. So that I can show you how all the options work, I'm going to uncheck these. For SMS, if you have a phone number in the system, select the correct provider for the phone number listed. Choose Send PIN, click OK in the prompt that the PIN has been sent, and then check your phone and enter the PIN that you received on your device. It says text message. For demonstration, I'll uncheck this so I can show the other 2. For authenticate with email, choose one of the email addresses listed, send the PIN, and then enter the PIN from there. If this is the first time you're setting up your NetID password, don't select your stonybrook.edu email address. Instead, one of your other accounts listed. Again, I'll uncheck this for demonstration. The final option is authenticate with Duo. If you've got Duo set up, you can choose this, and for all the devices you have set up, choose the device you want to authenticate with and the method you want to authenticate with. So for example, I'm choosing an iOS, clicking Send Push. If I get to this section and I haven't selected anything else above, I might get an error. So I'll check and complete one of the above options, and then choose Authenticate with Duo. Complete the authentication on your Duo device. If you've selected 2 that don't include the Duo option, go ahead and click Continue now. If your final option is Duo, once you've submitted that, you'll be directed right to the Creating a New Password section. If you're here for finding your NetID, you'll find that in the top right corner under Selected Accounts. If you need to create a new password, read through the password rules, and then create a password in the password field, and then confirm the password. Once you have followed all of the rules provided there, and there aren't any issues with that, click on Reset. When you've changed your password, you'll see the status message that that change was successful. If, however, you get an error status, you can click Finish and try again. Also, you'll get an email with the status you see on the screen. Click Finish to complete. And that's how to use the Stony Brook Password Reset tool.